Good morning. Welcome to a new episode of Mr. Roy Makes. Makes. Today we are celebrating an ingredient that not many people use in Quebec. I even want to say not enough people use in Quebec. Chickpeas.
Hummus, salad, patties, ice cream, stew, nuggets, falafel, brownies. Chickpeas are an ingredient of choice. Chickpeas to satisfy all girls and boys with chickpeas. You can make whatever you want with chickpeas. You could cook from dusk till dawn. Use them in appetizers, main or dessert. They'll always charm you with their amazing flavors. Chickpeas are an ingredient of choice. Chickpeas to satisfy all girls and boys with chickpeas. You can make whatever you want with chickpeas. You could cook from dusk till dawn. Hummus, salad, patties, ice cream, stew, nuggets, falafel, brownies.
So today we are making hummus which is a chickpeas based dip. It's really delicious. You'll see. So the ingredients for this recipe are as follows. A can of chickpeas, but you can also use dried chickpeas and boil them yourself. That's your choice. Quarter of a cup of fresh lemon juice. Quarter of a cup of tahini. If you don't know what tahini is, it's basically sesame paste. We did some a few years back without this paste and it was amazing, so I'm eager to see what it does. Now you need a small clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. That's variable, you'll see why. And in the end, for garnishing, a pinch of paprika. Let's do this. Step 1, drain and rinse your chickpeas. Ooh, heavy ones, huh? I'm the type of guy who likes to prepare his ingredients before because I cannot multitask. I don't know if you remember my face when I was shaking the milkshake the other time, but thinking about ingredients and making the recipe at the same time is not for me. So here we are at the garlic. This will help me remove the coating. Skinning a garlic clove, eh? A challenge for all of us. Not today. I took this move from a movie called Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. You may want to check this one out. Then we're going to chop it finely. This part we don't keep. Then the rest. We've taken out the food processor for this recipe today. First 2 ingredients to go in are the tahini. Look at that. It kind of tastes like peanut butter, but a little more strong. And it's very, very runny. So first goes the tahini. And then the lemon juice. These we're gonna stir together for 1 minute. Cover your ears. Okay, so it's been 1 minute. I'm gonna scrape all of this back into the pot. Smells good. Scrape the sides. Make sure I get everything down to the bottom. It looks whipped. A little like the coffee thing we did the other day. Okay, so we're gonna make sure everything is at the bottom. And start that again. 30 more seconds. Cover your ears. 30 seconds later, same drill. I'm gonna scrape this. This is very light and fluffy. Almost like a dessert we call a mousse. Not the animal, the dessert. The next ingredients to go in are the garlic. And the oil. And last but not least, the cumin. If you want, you can add salt too. I'm not going to just yet because this is the first time we make it, so I don't know which quantity I need. We're gonna turn that back on until everything is silky smooth. Let's have a look at this paste. It's quite nice, it's very pale. And notice that I scrape the bottom and the sides very often to make sure everything is smooth. We need to add the chickpeas now in two batches. So I'm gonna put about half in. Right. And when I'm processing these, I need to scrape the bottom and the sides to make sure there's no whole pea left. Watch your ears. It's been processing for about 5 minutes now. It would be ready to eat right now, but it's still a little thick and you can really feel it on the machine. It's struggling to mix it up, which is why we don't recommend using a blender for this. They don't have enough power. You need a real food processor. So I'm gonna have you film in there. We're gonna cut the sound and I'm gonna show you the transformation when we add a little bit of water. Ooh.
Hummus, salad, patties, ice cream, stew, nuggets, falafel, brownies. Chickpeas are an ingredient of choice. Chickpeas to satisfy our girls and boys with chickpeas.
Can you smell that? I hope you can, because it smells real good. It's way smoother now. It looked like there were like bits and pieces of pea in there, but now it's just creamy and probably delicious. I think what's left to do is the taste test. It's already pretty good by itself. Let's have it on a cracker. This is the day for a piece of hummus. And it makes a surprising amount. I don't know if you've seen how much there's actually in the pot, but it's kind of efficient. Not as aggressive as the one you buy at the grocery store. It's smoother.
But way better than the one we made without tahini.
Yeah, tahini really kicks it up a notch. I think it's an important part of the recipe. Real good.
Smooth.
Smooth. Hey, make some hummus, stay home, be safe. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Makes